In this programmability demo, we will be discussing how to leverage Vonage APIs from Zapier. Zapier is a no-code system that allows you to more effectively build out a workflow process during the process of a call or transaction, leveraging the Vonage Business Communications and Vonage APIs. Let's take a quick look. The Zapier system can be signed up for free at any time by going to Zapier.com. There are paid tier offerings, which allows you to build a more complex flow in a single zap. In this case, we'll be running a single zap that shows off the Vonage Business Communications call flow as well as Vonage API SMS capabilities. It should be noted that if you are planning to leverage SMS capabilities with Vonage API, this is not covered by the typical smart numbers programmability inside of Vonage Business Communications, and you will incur minor additional fees per transaction inside of the Vonage API system. You can visit the Nexmo site to learn more about the charges. Inside this Zap, it consists of two major components: the call event, which is tied to my Vonage Business Communications account, and the send SMS, which is tied to my Nexmo account. The first step is for me to tell it that I want to use Vonage Business Communications and I want to leverage a new call event. The next step will be to sign into my Vonage Business Communications system, leveraging my credentials. Once this has been done, I can go on to the custom call event, which in this case is a call to my Vonage phone and an inbound call that was missed. The next step is the system will run a check on your credentials and pull some sample event logs from the Vonage Business Communications system on your extension. Select one of these to use for your testing. Step 2 is to connect your Nexmo account. Again, we're going to tell it that we want to use Nexmo SMS and we want to send an SMS. It will ask you to sign into your Nexmo account at this point, leveraging your API key and API secret. To get those, simply click on the Vonage API main login, log into your system, and your key and secret will be listed right at the top. In my case, I'm already signed in, so we can move on to the next step, which is customizing the SMS. In which case, I'm telling it to use the number that is attached to my Nexmo application. The phone number that I want to send it to, in this case, is my cell phone. And then what I want the text message to look like. You have several variables that you can leverage in here. Just simply click on the fields and you can see all of the options that are available to you to pull data from the Vonage Business Communications API string. I already have mine built out, so there's no need to worry about that. I can click continue and run my test, and as you can see, the test was successful between Zapier, Nexmo, and my Vonage Business Communication system, and I now receive SMS messages on my mobile device when I miss a call on my Vonage Business Communications extension. I hope you've enjoyed this demo, and for further information on how Vonage APIs can help, you can simply go to nexmo.com, sign up for a free account, and read the documentation there on how this will work. You can also go to Vonage.com and click on support and get information on smart numbers.